Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to activate Office 2016 for free. So let's get started. There you can see that my Office is not activated. So now let's get started to activate it. First of all, you have to install KM Speaker 10.2. I will provide its link in the description. You have to close it before activating, so close. Wait till it's finished. Now you just simply have to go to the start button and have to run this KM Speaker. Just simple. Now you have to just simply press this red button. Now it's been done. So now let's check it. Where is one? There. Here, there. You can see that Office has been successfully activated for lifetime. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe. Allah Hafiz.